So happy e-learning day. Kind of a shock. I wasn't expecting so much snow as we got. Looks like anywhere from 3 to reports of up to 7 inches in Wabash County. So I didn't get that much here, but I live right on the county line on the south side. So who knows? But it is a sunny day, and hopefully you're keeping warm and not having to shovel too much snow. I'm going to have to shovel here in a little bit. But the assignment for today, if you click on the link, it takes you to this page. And on this page, if you'll push the little arrow sign there in the middle, it will take you here. And I'm sure that the sandwiches thing, I haven't ever looked at that one, but it's just like making sandwiches using in the format of a chemical reaction. So you can see if I took 2 pieces of bread and 1 piece of cheese, I make 1 sandwich. And I don't know, is that the only thing? Oh, here's a meat and cheese. And here's a custom where you can make however you want it to be. So play around with that a bit if you would like. Then down there in the bottom center, there is one with molecules. And this is simply just a bouncing equations thing. Look, I've got 2 H2s and 1 O2. And I can make 2 H2Os. What if I have 4 H2s? And 1 O2. Now I can still just make 2 H2Os, but I'll have 2 H2s left over. And how would I do it if I want to have no H2s left over? I'm going to need another one of those. Hang on. Sorry. So you can see this is a stoichiometry thing, and it's a limiting reactant thing. If I can have, look, I can have as many of these as I want. I still can only make 4 H2Os. I can have as many of these as I want. I still only make 4 H2Os. So that's kind of the whole deal there. That's making water. There's one for making ammonia. There's one for combusting methane. You can play around with that if you'd like. And then we'll go to the game. And as I said in the e-learning or in the Google Classroom post, I'd like you to try all 3 levels. So in the first level, it's telling me I'm making 1 PF4 and 1 O. Well, that's what I started with. So I just need 1 of each. And now, oh, look at that one. I've got 6 SO2s left over, so I have to start with 6. At least, and I don't have any O2s left. So how many H2S's and how many H2Os did I start with? No, I mean, if I'm making 2 H2S, so I'm going to need 2 more of the SO2s, right? Because I know I've got 6 left over, and I know 2 had to be used in the H2S, so put 2 more of those in. And then I made 4 H2Os, which required altogether for 2 H2S's and 4 H2Os, that's 4 plus 8, so 12 H's, so I mean 6 H2s. And I got it right. So you just kind of have to work backwards on this level sometimes, okay? So I've got N2s and H2s making 2 NH3s. So 1 N2 will make 2 NH3. See how there's 2 blue balls on the left and 2 blue balls on the right. And I've used 6 H's, making the ammonia, the NH3, 6, so that's 3 O2s. And then I still have 3 left over. See, there's all the way on the bottom right, it says 3 H2s left over. So I got to add 3 more. Okay. And then finally, maybe not finally, no, 4 out of 5. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those blue balls on the right. So I have to have at least 5 of these. And then O2s, there's 1 left over, so there's 1. And then for Oh, now each of the NOs brought a blue or an orange ball with it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. So I'm guessing I need, well, there's one left over, so 4 of those got used. Let's check that. I don't know whether it's right or not. Hey, it was right. So just play around with it. Do the best you can. If you don't get them all right, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. So we got 3 CO2, so I need, and 1, 2, 3, 4 CH4. So how many grays does that take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And O's, I'd use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 O's. 6 O's, so I need 6 H2O's. Anything left over? 1 carbon left over. Let's check it. Hey, we got it right. So I would just take a screenshot here. And then if you want to go into level 2, we're doing kind of the same thing. They get progressively harder. And like I said, I don't care how many you actually get right. I'd love for you to get them all right. But this is kind of a tricky thing to do. But it'll give you something, it's a little more fun than like writing stuff on paper and pencil. And then you can just either send me those screenshots or just tell me how many you got on each one. And again, I don't care. You can get 1 or 2 or 0 or all 5 on each one. And I'll be happy with that. I just want you to play with this for a while as your assignment for today. So thanks a lot. See you next time. Hopefully see you tomorrow on Friday. Goodbye.